Hello guys, it's Captain Ashu, and today is a very nice day and I got a very big parcel. This is a paper cutter, a heavy duty paper cutter from Kavinstar, and this young man, he is Rakesh. He is a new member in our team and he is going to help me out with this big machine because this is very heavy and I need an extra hand for that. Yes, unbox. This machine is available in Amazon as well as in Paytm, but I ordered this directly from the Kavinstar company by calling to his director. I did that because he gave me a very nice discount for making this video and also for the reviewing of the product. See, this is mine. Okay, this is the lever, I guess. We need to pull this lever. It is heavy. If there is any thief in my house, I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'll just put it this here. Okay, Kavinstar Perfect A3 paper cutter. You can see here is small leaflet, single sheet leaflet actually, but they provided it anyway. Okay, this is the machine. I don't know if I can actually pull this up just like that or not. Maybe not, obviously. This is going to be really heavy. Okay, hold on, I'll just set this up because I'll be needing Rakesh for that one because he is holding the camera. I'll get back to you. There was a problem with the handle C. It was jammed here. I called him how to get it done and he told me, come here. He told me that there is a Allen key. It was like this, and the box was hold like this. It's a stool box. I just needed to open it up like this, and get the Allen key. Just need to open it up, and invert it, and again tighten it up with the same screw which I loosen. All done. See? All done. So we are going to cut one of my notebook. Okay, let's start the process. Okay, I need to fix this handle, which is totally clogged with the thermocol sheet which they used for the wrapping. It's stuck with gel. Okay, it's in there. Now I need to press this one. This is the lock, and yeah, it's locked. I need to push it again to lower the. Okay, this is the support for the paper, whatever paper you actually put, and this is to protect your hand from the blade. Let me show you without this protection how the blade looks like. Let's see. This is the blade, and I'll just raise up the fixing panel, which compresses the paper sheets and don't allow it to move around, so that there is a precision cut. It goes all up. So this much is the stack. It's around 3 to 3.5 centimeters. You can actually stack up the papers till then, maybe like 300 to 350 papers. I don't know that much paper. You just need to stack it up and you can just easily cut. I'll show you how to do that. Once I will cut just like that without adjusting anything, and I'll also show you the adjustment. Where do you see? This is the plate where you can see there are markings, or the markings till A3. The sheet actually cuts A3 plus a little bit extra till 43 squares. I don't know what that means. Maybe this is a centimeter. Yes, that's a centimeter scale here. There's an inch scale here, and here is also an inch scale. Okay, so it's a very nice thing. And this is a precision railing which slides from this bar as well as this square parallel bar, which makes it very nice to be just exactly parallel with the marking. Let's see. Not exactly, it wobbles a little. See it wobble, but you can actually place it like this and it will be perpendicular. And you can even stack it like this if you want. Maybe I do this and I'll tighten it up. So it's jammed here, but I don't want that. I want it to cut. I just need to see it. Okay, I need to cut it from here. And I press it here and it's tight now. It's all tight. And then I will just tighten up the pressure bar, which will exert a little bit pressure over here. Oh, it's all done in just one swipe. I didn't feel it. It was like a hot knife from butter. So smooth. Seriously so smooth. You can also touch. Seriously smooth, man. Amazing. It looks new. See, this is the old section, this is the new section. You can actually turn any book or any copy to its new originality. Just like that. So guys, thank you for watching this machine. I'm going to start if you like the video, just press the like button and subscribe, and if you want to ask any questions, just ask me in the comment. And I'm actually a little bit insecure. Okay, I am growing my business and I'm doing a lot of nice things. So you need to subscribe and you need to show some love to me, so that I'll be encouraged to make all these videos and grow my business, get all the new machines. I'm actually starting up my own section for printing press, and I'll be printing diaries, pads, my own designing things. I'll be focusing only on designs. All these things are peripherals. The main thing is design. If you like the design, you buy it. That's it. And also I'll be doing some I'm making a textile printing machine. It's a screen printing system, 4-color screen printing system. It will be done after I will finish all these setups. I'll start setting up that machine. That will be made all by me. I'm going to make it by the help of DIY blueprints. From there I'll be starting all the screen printing in t-shirts, in caps, in every garment, in indoor bags and everything. So thumbs up to every one of you because you guys are amazing, and thank you very much. This is Captain Ashu, over and out.